A very good evening to one and all. Um, Thanks for joining us on time. Naresh, are you ready? Naresh, can you respond? Can you hear me, ma? Naresh? Niranjan? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Naresh is there. What about Nitish, Niranjan, and Aaron?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible, ma'am.
Yeah. Naresh, can you start?
The capability to learn is a gift. The ability to learn is a skill. The willingness to learn is a choice. A quote by Brian Herbert. With this quote, I welcome all the participants for this entrancing faculty development program. A very good evening to one and all to join this program. In every gathering of minds, there must first be a meeting of hearts, and prayer brings them together. I now invite Aaron Darius, Department Secretary, to lead us in prayer.
Let us pray. Loving Heavenly Father, we thank you for bringing us together on this day of learning and growth. Bless us this faculty and development program and all who are gathered here. Grant us wisdom to share knowledge, patience to listen, and enthusiasm to inspire one another. May this program enlighten our minds, enrich our teaching, and strengthen our commitment to serve our students with dedication and love. Bless the organizers, the resource persons, and every participant so that this program become a meaningful step towards excellence in education. We place this day and all our efforts in your loving hands. Amen.
Thank you, Aaron Darius, for your powerful prayer. A warm welcome is the first step toward meaningful connections and lasting impressions. I now call upon Nitish Niranjan, Sub Secretary, to welcome the gathering.
Good evening, everyone. It is indeed a moment of great pleasure and privilege to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to all gathered here for the Faculty Development Program organized by the Department of Computer Science, Patrician College of Arts and Science. On behalf of our management and faculty team, I extend a special welcome to our esteemed resource person, Dr. Shantha Shalini, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, AVIT, and all the participants who have joined us with enthusiasm and shared the spirit of learning. At Patrician, we strongly believe that a teacher is a lifelong learner. Programs like these provide a valuable platform for us to enhance our teaching skills, exchange innovative ideas, and stay abreast of the latest development in our respective field. We are indeed honored to have with us distinguished resources person who will enlighten us with their expertise and experience. Their insights will undoubtedly motivate us to pursue academic excellence and inspire our students with renewed passion and purpose. Let us use this program and the opportunity to learn, reflect, and grow together, dedicated to shaping young minds. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to one and all, and I wish this faculty development program great success. Thank you.
Thank you, Nitish Niranjan, for welcoming our speaker of the day and participants.
Naresh,
Yes, ma'am.
you can continue with the rest,
rest,
dear.
dear.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for introducing such as eminent personality. Without further delay, I hand over the session to our resource person.
We'll start with the introduction, Naresh. We'll start with the introduction. Okay, dear all, thank you for joining us today. So there was a technical glitch where the meeting had to be by mistake ended, but we'll now continue with it. So today we have Dr. Shantha Shalini, who's working as an associate professor in computer science and engineering department of AVIT Institute of Technology. She has completed her BE, MTech and PhD in computer science and engineering. She has almost 12 years of teaching experience and 4 years of industrial experience. Her area of specialization is blockchain, cloud computing, and machine learning. She has a research works that has been published in 30 reputed journals. She has published three books, namely Machine Learning Fundamentals, Blockchain Technology, Artificial Intelligence, and Machine Learning. She has completed her NPTEL certifications in blockchain, machine learning, IoT, and cloud computing. So this, I hope that this FDP would be enriching as the session that she is going to bring to all. So thank you for joining us today, ma'am.
Thank you, Sharon, ma'am. Thank you,
Ma'am,
Naresh.
are you here with us? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Am I audible, ma'am? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am,
You're
you're
audible.
audible.
Continue with the session now.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Naresh, Nitish, and Aaron, and Sharon, ma'am, for your introduction. A very good evening to all. It's my great privilege to be a part of this one-day faculty development program on artificial intelligence for academics, organized by the Department of Computer Science Shift 2, Patrician College of Arts and Science. I would like to extend my special thanks to HOD ma'am, principal ma'am, academic director ma'am, and director and secretary sir, and also to Sharon ma'am, Memelda ma'am, the organizing committee members of this event. With this note, let me begin the session. Today we will see about how artificial intelligence is making its way to academics. When we hear the word AI, many of us will think about robots, self-driving cars, self-working machines, and so on. But AI is not only for machines, it is about making our work smarter, faster, and more efficient. It helps teachers to save their time in tasks like preparing question papers, creating lecture materials, and evaluating assignments, and so on. It also provides personalized learning to students, like having a tutor for 24/7 with them. AI is not here to replace the teachers. Instead, it is to assist teachers and students more accessible and effective. There are plenty of AI tools available. Nearly thousands of AI tools are available. We will see about some AI tools and its practical ways in this session. Ma'am, whether my screen is visible?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay. Thank you. First, we will see about Curie part tool. So this tool is mainly whether the page has opened currypod.com, whether you are able to view the screen.
Yes, ma'am, we can view.
Okay. So QReport is one of the AI tool. It is used to generate the presentation instantly. It can create the presentation with quizzes and polls. First, we have to log in it in using our email ID. If you have Gmail ID, we can log in using that Gmail ID. It is a free registration tool only. And we have to click on this generate lesson. And we have to type in which topic we want the presentation. We have to give the topic. If required, we can use some materials for reference. If not, means just we can type the concept and then it will generate the PPT for us. For example, I am giving human respiratory system. And then I am asking to generate the presentation. So it will ask whether it will ask some options based upon which content we want. We have to select that option, and based upon that, it will create the presentation. For example, if I am giving A, so it is asking whether it should be based on a grade 8 book. So I am asking to give generally not based on grade 8. I am giving generate lesson. It will take some time to prepare the presentation, and it will display the pin number. This pin number is like in Zoom meeting and all. If we attend the Zoom meeting, it will display some passcode using which we will join in the Zoom meeting. Similarly, here also it will show some pin number. Using this pin number, we can students can join in the meeting. This is for online presentation. It will create some. It will give us some presentation based on the topic we had given, and that presentation can be shared through online mode. Using this pin, we have to share this pin to the student. The student will join in the link using this pin, and also after creating the presentation, it will display the QR code. Using that QR code also, the students can join, and we can find out how many students are joined, and the presentation will be created with a lot of quizzes, polls, and a lot of activities. And then while sharing the presentation itself, we can ask the students to submit their activity and to submit their polls, and they can submit their quizzes while we are sharing. So it will take some time to generate the presentation. we can preview it before present because now only it is showing the presentation. We can't directly show it to the students, so we can preview it and then we can give start now. So this is the student screen and this is the classroom screen. So students can join using this QR code scanner. For example, if I am joining using this QR code scanner, and we have a student has to type their PIN number. So someone has joined. I also joined using this QR code. If we give start, if I give start, it will be displayed to the student. So it will ask the student name, so whenever I am changing something, it will be displayed to the screen in an online mode. So I am giving start now. So within few minutes, it has created the presentation on the given topic. And also the presentation will contain lot of activities, not only like it will not contain only the text, it will also contain some activities, quizzes, polls, so that students will be very much interesting to attend this, to listen to this presentation. It will convey the points and also it will so this is for drawing activity. So student can, if you give start activity, it will be displayed to the student. Someone has joined. If you check in the mobile, for example, if you are those who have joined, you can check in the mobile. This activity will be displayed to you. So if I am ending the activity means the output of the student will be displayed here. For example, if some 10 students has participated in this activity means all the 10 results will be displayed to me. Like this, we can vote, we can do the polls. So a number of votes given by the student will be displayed to us. So like this presentation will be created with a lot of activities, so that will be very interesting for the students to do this work, to listen to the presentation, also to listen to the presentation. So mainly Curipad is mainly for creating the presentation with a lot of activities, with a lot of quizzes and polls. And then we can, main purpose of this Curie pod is to mainly for creating instant presentation. Immediately we can create the presentation, and we can display it. If we have a internet facility and projector facility in our classroom, we can instantly create the presentation, and we can display that to the students. It will be very useful for the students, and also they will listen this very interestingly. So next we will see about the next tool. eduai.ai. So this is also a free tool. Just we have to log in it using our whatever email account we have, using which we can join. So this AI is mainly for giving suggestions. It will give some suggestions and ideas. For example, we are not prepared anything. We are sometimes we will have some personal issues, our health issues, our family issues. Without preparation, we went to class. But we have to go to class now. But we didn't prepare anything. In that case, we can make use of this ideas to engage our class. For example, this engagement, if I am giving any topic, for example, machine learning, like that I am giving any topic means machine learning for healthcare. So it will ask which grade we are going to give, or we can give for college students also. So college levels, we can select this option, and we have to select any one of the option is displaying here. So first I am selecting engagement activities. So the idea is I am going to take this topic, machine learning for healthcare. So what are all the things I can do in the classroom? That ideas will be given in engagement activities. For example, I can conduct quiz or some prediction ideas or some algorithm matching games. Like that, it will give some suggestions for us to engage in the classroom. And then other fields are like creating lesson plans. Most of the fields are for creating the lesson plan. If we give the syllabus, it will give the lesson plan. Or if we give the single topic, I have given only the single topic. If I give this, it will generate the lesson plan for this single topic. And then assessment measures means assessment measures like the rubrics. This AI is mainly used for assessment measures. It will generate the rubrics. For example, if the student is submitting the assignment, how much marks can be given for presentation. For example, if you are giving problems, how much mark can be given for the solution. Like that, it will split and it will give the rubrics. That is the main purpose of this AI. And then it will give also about project ideas. So a project-based learning, for example, if the final year student is doing some project on this topic, so it will explain how to implement the project, what are the steps required from the beginning. So that will be displayed for project-based learning is used to display what are the plans the student has to student has to do for completing his project. That will be displayed in this field. That is the use of this field. Most of the other fields are used for lesson planning, like how we will prepare lesson plan before while starting the semester itself. We will prepare the lesson plan that when we are going to start the first unit and when we are going to complete the last unit, lesson plan we will create based upon the academic calendar. Similarly, this other fields are mostly related with the lesson plans. It is used to generate, even if we didn't give the syllabus, it will generate based upon the topic given by us. So mainly, this is used for create giving some suggestions and ideas and engagement activities, and then for assessment measures, and gives lesson plans based upon a whole syllabus or a single topic, and it can give a project based learning ideas to the students, and also it gives some plans and steps based upon lesson plan and steps for the given topics, and also it will display the prior knowledge details. Uh, for example, if I'm going to take this topic in this class, what are all the knowledge I should have before taking this topic? That prior knowledge also, what are the prior knowledge required, that also will be provided by this AI. So we will go to the next one. This is DFID AI tool. So this tool is only it is also available free for particular days. For example, we can use this tool free for first 15 days. Later, we have to it will be available only in the payable version. And this will provide materials along with the images. Mainly, this tool is mainly used for generating the questions. For example, if we are uploading something or we are giving some texting, what are all the questions we can take from the topic? That will be given by this tool. So, if we are taking some lesson, we want to take question papers or we want to take MCQs, means if we can give the topic in this AI, it will generate what are all the set of questions we can ask. That is the main purpose of this AI. It also provides the material, and we can take a printout also. For example, I am giving types of computer. So most of the things it will give the images in ChatGPT and all. If we search for something, most of the times it will not generate image. It will generate only text. If we ask, means it will be not like as JPEG image. It will be like some dotted format. It will be like some diagrams, but it will generate generate the text along with the images. And we can also download it and we can use it. We can download this and we can take printout, so we can use this in offline mode also. So it provides in general vocabulary, like basic definitions. It is explaining the basic terms, and MCQs, short answers. So we can download everything. And some activity. Flow charts. All those things. So this is the purpose of this AVIT AI, mainly used to provide some materials about the topic we asked, and also mainly for generating the questions and MCQs, and provide some materials. We can download it and we can save it in the system. We will go to the next one. Elicit. So Elicit, here it is also available in three versions: basic version, that is free one, and pro version, payable one, and team versions also available. And those two pro version and team version are not free. We have to pay for it, and we can find the details of the paper available on the given topic. If we are giving some topic, means it will find out what are all the papers available, related papers available on the particular topic, and it will display it to us. For example, I'm giving blockchain in for banking purpose or anything. Banking. So mainly it is used to generate the report with different sources. That is, what are all the papers available in this particular topic. It will display the details about the papers and the source of the paper, where it has taken. All those things will be displayed. That will be displayed as a research report. But we can't download it. We have not paid, since it is the we are using. We are not paying for it. So we can just view it. If you are using the paid version, then we can download the reports. So it will display the different sources. Nearly it will display nearly the 50 sources, and here it's showing 9 sources. And whatever data we want, we can extract from it, and we can use it for writing our own paper. It's taking time for loading. So I have selected research report. So it is showing some sources available about this topic. So if I am asking for the papers, it will display the papers available in the topic. For example, AI for academics. So it is showing some of the publications, papers available in this topic. So generative AI for academics, and then how it enhances research efficiency and innovation, and how AI can be used for academic writing. The author name, citation details, all are displayed. and some abstract summary about the particular paper. So if you want to work on any topic, if you want to do if you want to do any research, we can use this elicit.com to search for the papers. So it will collect the related papers and it will display to us. That will be very useful for our research work. And the next AI tool is connected papers. This is also similar to this. First, we have to, for example, if you want to same topic, I'm giving AI for academics. It will find out the related papers and it will build a graph between the papers. It will give connection between the available papers. For example, AI for healthcare. So it is giving a graph which deals with so what are all the papers 20 almost it will display about all years, but it is showing only one 2024 alone, the author name and then year of publishing. So what are all the papers? So different papers have been published in this topic, so for healthcare. So it is displaying all the papers. Mainly it is showing in 23 and 24. Similarly, we can get from the previous publications also, previous year's publication also we can display. So like this, it is showing the number of papers available in this particular topic, and it is just creating a connection between those papers using a graph. This tool is also useful for doing our research work. It will bring the related papers and it will display to us so that we can read from easily identify the papers for related papers for our research work. The next tool is skypace.com. So this is for if I upload any research paper, it will display the overview of that paper. That is the use of this AI tool. So based upon the paper I uploaded, it will give the overview of that paper, abstract, results, and then introduction, literature review. So if you want to study about any papers, we can use this AI tool so that it will give the overview of the paper. So usually, if you are while we studying the paper, we will study the abstract and the conclusion, and then we will get some idea. But we won't study the methodology, all those things. Methodology of the paper, and then what are, if there is any graphical that is comparison of the results, all those things. There will not be time available to read all those things. It requires more time to fully go through the paper. Instead, if you use this tool, it will be easy for us to get the summary about the paper. It is not opening, it will display everything, comparison of the result, and then methodology used, everything will be displayed. And the next tool is meshi.ai. This tool is mainly used for creating 3D effects, mainly used for game developers, used for creating animations, 3D models, textures. For those things, we can use it. Is available in both the free version and payable version, and mainly to convert the text, given text or image to 3D format. For example, if you give text to 3D, so like this, for if you give computer science, this type of image will be, that is, this image will be given. So before itself I tried for computer science, so it is based upon the text I had given computer science here, so it is generating this image. And then before that I had given AI is knowledge, so it has generated this 3D image. So like that, if I give any normal image, it will convert that into a 3D image. And if I give any text, it will convert that into 3D images, 3D models. It is also it is most of the things will be available in the pro version only, payable version only. So we can at least per day we can convert one or two images or one or two text, not more than that, because only it will provide that much of limit. If we want to generate more 3D images, we have to pay more. That is, we have to pay and then we have to use. And the next tool is Magic Loops. This tool is will be very useful for those who are doing projects. So this tool is mainly used for creating an app. We can give one title, for example, design an app for doing something. If you give like this, it will generate an app and it will display to us. For example, no need of coding. We no need to code anything. We no need to write the coding. It will automatically, it will generate the code and it will display an app. So I am giving voice to, if voice is given in any language, that has to be converted into English text. So based upon our need, we can give and it will create an app. So it will ask for some option whether we are going to upload the audio file or we are going to give the record our voice real time. So I am giving audio file upload. And giving next. The transcript should be displayed on the screen. So I am selecting this and giving next. So it will take time to create an app, but you can try in your system that whatever app we are asking, it will create, but it will take more time. But we can create only one app per day, not more than that. If you want to create more number of apps, we have to use a payable version. So it will ask us to upload the audio file. If we upload it, it will generate the text present in the audio file. That is, it will listen to the text and it will display it in English. That is not, it will not convert that into English. That same, whatever we are talking, for example, if you are talking in Tamil, means the same will be, same letter, same word will be displayed in English. But it will not be translated into English. Okay, thank you so much for your patience. Hope you understand something about AI tools. I think this session will be useful for you in the future. You try all these things for example, app development. App development is a very useful tool. Similarly, 3D models and all students can try. And faculty also, we can use these tools for creating lecture materials, lesson plans, all those things. Hope this is useful. Thank you for your message. Thank you, Sharon ma'am, for this opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am. This was
Thank you,
really an
ma'am. This
enriching
was really an enriching
session. So,
session.
so
So,
shall
shall
we
we
conclude
conclude
with
with
the
the
vote
vote
of
of
thanks,
thanks,
ma'am,
ma'am,
before
before
we
we
wind
wind
up?
up?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Naresh, are you here, dear?
Okay. Naresh, are you here, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
dear, you
dear, you
can
can
start.
start.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing with us. Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your knowledge with us. Gratitude is not only the greatest of waiters, but the parent of all others. I now invite Dr. Ajita Purnima, head of the department, to propose the vote of thanks. Thank you all for your presence, guidance, and participations. With this, we conclude the faculty development program, wishing you all continued growth, learning, and success.
Thank you, Naresh. Yeah. It is my pleasure to extend our sincere thanks to everyone for making this faculty development program a success. Our heartfelt gratitude to our resource person, Dr. Shanti Shalini, for sharing her valuable insights and experiences which have truly enlightened and motivated us. We also thank our principal and our management for their support and my dear faculty members for their enthusiastic participation. A special note of thanks to the organizing team for their efforts in ensuring the smooth conduct of this program. Thank you all for your presence and contributions. Your support has made this FDP a meaningful and a successful one. Last but not the least, I thank my dear students, Aaron, Nitish Niranjan, and the MC Naresh for their contribution towards this faculty development program. Once again, I thank each and every one of you all. Thank you. Dear faculty members, the feedback form link has been posted in the chat. So kindly do fill it up. Shannon, ma'am, can you repost that link and can you update it in the channel also? Ms. Sharon,
Yes,
are you aware?
ma'am.